I got a request from someone to create a video on how to upload videos to Dibble's Training Videos YouTube channel. So I'm going to go through that real quick because this is intended to be a service that anybody can use and upload training videos for whatever purposes that they see fit. So right now it's focused on AutoCAD, and just with the first like 20 or so videos that have been uploaded. But really what this is meant to be is that any useful tips and tricks that anybody has throughout the company for any of the programs and anything that we do, whether it's design related or accounting, it doesn't really even matter. Just whatever they want to train people on. You can use this to record what you're doing on your screen and share with anybody so that they don't have to have an over-the-shoulder meeting in order to gain this knowledge that you have. So if you have anything worth sharing, it's a good idea to use this tool to your advantage and to the company's advantage to share that knowledge so that everybody can have access to it. So real quick, what you're going to need is you're going to need access to the Dibble Training Videos Google account, which I have access to. If you need that, you can just ask for the password or ask for the privilege to upload, and we can get you access to that so that you can upload whatever video that you need to upload. Second, you'll need a recorder. So there are a few options for recording. One that's already built into everything that we have is Skype. I don't recommend Skype because its frame rate is choppy and the recordings don't really come out all that great compared to just a straight screen recorder like what I use. I drag this onto the screen right here so that you can see it. This program is called Screen Recorder Pro. It's right there in my Windows app list. You can just find this by going to the Microsoft Store, and all I did is I typed in screen recorder, and the list of apps that came up, I just found one that seemed reputable and was free and could install without admin privileges. So Screen Recorder Pro is what I'm using. It doesn't really matter which one you use, but I would not recommend using Skype. The other one that you can use that's built in is the Windows Game Bar, which has a broadcast and capture feature. I don't recommend this one because it isn't able to capture windows within your program. So if you open up any internal windows to like AutoCAD or something like that, it won't actually record your screen. It only captures one window, the main active window of whatever program you tell it is a game. So it doesn't really work well for a lot of things that we do. I would recommend a third-party recording application like the one I'm using right now. So anyways, once you have your screen recording program and you've got access to the Dibble Training Videos YouTube account, you can just press on, so go to YouTube. I'll open up a new instance of YouTube. Go to YouTube and click on the little camera guy with the plus and upload video. And you can drag and drop, you can browse, you can do all sorts of things. There are a lot of other ways that you can upload videos, but this is just one method. So I'm going to open up an instance of File Explorer and go to My Documents, and the program that I use, the Screen Recorder Pro, will create a folder within your documents called Captura. That's where all your videos are going to go. So this one right here on top is the one that I'm recording right now. I recorded this guy to upload to YouTube just as a test. So I'm going to upload this right now. And this top line is the title for your video. You can insert a description if you want, and we'll just go ahead and insert some nonsense here. And then you can insert tags that are related to whatever you are talking about. So a lot of times we'll be talking about Civil 3D, we'll be talking about Dibble, standards, and engineering. Whatever it is, the topic that you're covering, you can insert tags to make this easier for your users to find. So if you're doing a video on corridors like the one that I did, I would put in Civil 3D, C3D, AutoCAD, CAD, corridors, any sort of thing related to the topics I'm talking about or what people might want to search if they are trying to find information on that particular topic. Just come up with as many tags as you can possibly think of so that your target audience can effectively find that. So it processed this. All you have to do is press publish. You can pick a different thumbnail if you want. Doesn't really matter in this case because all of them are the same because it's only a couple second long video. I'm going to go ahead and publish this video. And once it processes, that's done. So I'm going to go back to my channel. Oops. Not my account. That's the account information. My channel here. And this is the view that you're going to have from when you're inside editing. You can change these playlists and stuff like that and change the featured video, all that, customize the channel. That YouTube has a bunch of features for designing this sort of stuff. And anyways, within YouTube, if you want to use the search function to find Dibble training videos, I would recommend typing in Dibble training first, and then whatever topic you want to find. So I was talking about a corridor video earlier, so we're going to go ahead and type in corridor and civil 3D, and we'll make that one word. So corridor civil 3D, and let's go ahead and search that. And the first thing that comes up is our Dibble training videos video on corridor training. So if you type in Dibble training as your first couple of keywords, or really anywhere within the search phrase, you should be able to find the topic that's relevant, or alternatively, you can subscribe to the channel or visit the channel and just search the playlist this way. So right now there are only a couple of playlists. We've got a drafting playlist and a C3D playlist. You can view all the uploads no matter what playlist they belong to. There's a featured video up top that can vary from time to time, but these will be organized logically and probably based on program. And so if I knew I was looking for a C3D video and I just wanted to see if we had a training on data shortcuts, I could look through the C3D playlist and find that data shortcuts video that way. A lot of ways to navigate the site, but how to upload. You need a video recorder, you need access to the Google account for the Dibble training videos, and you just click this little plus icon and it walks you through the steps